Islands are nature's hidden treasures, geographically isolated, untouched, and unique. They are like natural laboratories that hold the secrets of evolution. But with this isolation comes vulnerability. These delicate ecosystems face threats, increasing human activity, deforestation, and climate change, pushing species and populations to the brink of extinction. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, one of the last untouched biodiversity hotspots in the world, hold rare and endemic species that exist nowhere else on Earth. The isolation of these islands has led to high levels of endemism and unique adaptations, but it also limits their ability to adapt to new threats, putting them at risk of disappearing forever. Hi, I'm Shashank Dalvi, Doctoral Fellow at Center for Wildlife Studies. I'm working to understand how geographic barriers have shaped the bird species that inhabit these islands and how today's threats, climate change, habitat loss, are driving them closer to extinction. Through this research, we will uncover cryptic species, one that appear identical but are actually distinct, and identify those most in need of protection. I have always been fascinated with the study of biogeography and the questions like what, where, and how many. They are the same questions I would like to answer while studying birds in the remote Andaman and Nicobar archipelago by leading good old-fashioned expeditions and integrating them with the most recent cutting-edge methodologies in genetics like next-gen sequencing to identify threats in species and populations. I need your support to continue this crucial research. Together we can conserve these islands and their unique species before it's too late.